Welcome to another episode of our fascinating journey through aviation history and technology. Today we're soaring high with a piece of presidential luxury. No, not just any helicopter, but the VH-92A, also known as Marine One when assigned to the president. Imagine stepping into a world where security and comfort meet supreme engineering. The VH-92A is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a symbol of power, efficiency, and technological advancement. Built by Boeing for the U.S. Department of the Navy, these helicopters are designed specifically to provide safe and secure air travel for our nation's leaders. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the VH-92A so special. First off, size matters literally. Standing tall with a rotor diameter of 36 feet and a length of over 50 feet, these giants in the sky are not only impressive to look at, but also incredibly capable machines. But it's not just their look that catch your eye, it's what they can do. The VH-92A is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics systems, ensuring the safest and most reliable flights for our esteemed passengers. These include advanced navigation tools, communication technologies, and multiple emergency systems to keep everyone on board secure. Of course, as you might imagine, keeping a president safe isn't just about technology. The VH-92A also features stealth capabilities designed to reduce its radar signature, making it harder for potential threats to. And with an impressive range of over 700 miles, the VH-92A can cover vast distances quickly and efficiently. But what sets this helicopter apart is not just its security features or technology, it's the attention to detail in its design that makes it a true marvel. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality, featuring comfortable seating, advanced climate control systems, and state-of-the-art communication equipment. You might even find some modern amenities like USB ports for charging your devices. And as we move on to maintenance, the VH-90A undergoes rigorous checks and upgrades regularly to ensure it always meets the highest standards of safety and performance. With a crew of highly skilled mechanics and pilots working tirelessly behind the scenes, you can trust that every flight is meticulously prepared. In summary, the VH-90A presidential helicopter is more than just a helicopter. It's a symbol of America's commitment to innovation, security, and excellence in all aspects of leadership travel. It's a testament to what engineering and technology can achieve when dedicated to providing the safest air transport for our nation's leaders. Thanks for joining us on this brief journey through the world of VH-92A. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about aviation and technology, and stay tuned for our next episode.